Hello guys, this video will give you a little sneak preview of one of the vehicles in my course, Creative Sci-Fi Vehicle Design. This cute little flying car, inspired by the works of Akira Toriyama, the famous artist of Dragon Ball. So these kinds of nice little, cute, simplified flying vehicles. And so guys, in this one I go ahead and use 2ds Max and I show you how I can also create some very clean, efficient topology. So some of the vehicles in the course, guys, are made with CAD, so they have, like the triangulated CAD topology. But this is an example of just using nice, clean, basic, simple modeling. So the course, guys, is a combination of videos where I narrate and explain all my actions, and sometimes I also stay quiet where I just focus on the design and getting the work done. I also, on the bottom right, have a program which shows my hotkeys. That's always available on the bottom right. The actual videos, guys, are not sped forward in any way. I'm just speeding them up so that I can present them in this quick little trailer. If you guys are interested in the course, it's the first link in the description. Thank you for watching and take care.